Hey guys, I'm Chance Wadsworth. I'm a two-time world live goose calling champion and owner of Quail Creek Goose Calls. Today we're going to talk about the honk. So I'll just show you what the honk is. Okay. And this is basically a cluck. It is a drawn out front portion of the cluck. So a cluck is this. And you're just drawing out the first portion of the note, which is just your tongue laying flat and the air getting pushed through. And it's not quite a moan where you have the back pressure and the power, a lot of air. It's just before the moan. Okay. And how you're cracking that reed over is the same as the cluck. Your tongue is anchored and your tongue goes up and forward. The middle portion of your tongue goes up and forward. And you're just drawing out that front portion of the cluck. The next thing we're going to talk about is a turkey note or punch cluck. If I'm making these videos for the goose calling community, if anybody wants to learn new notes, tag your friends that's interested or show your friends.